Students, today we are starting chapter 2, linear equation in one variable. Before going ahead, I will explain certain terms used in this chapter. In 7th class, you have learned algebraic expression. For example, 2x square plus 3x minus 5, 3y plus 2, 5 into x, 6 by 8 z. Here, we can see some alphabets. These alphabets are called variables. Why is it called variables? Because they can take any values. That is, here x can take -1, -3, otherwise 1 by 2. Y also can take any values like this, and z also can take values like this. So, these alphabets are called variables. Here, 2, 3, -5. These are called what? These are called constants. Why they are called constant? Because their values do not change. They are always the same. Here, variable can change their values, but constant cannot change their values. Here, in between each term, some mathematical sign is used. They are called fundamental operations. Then, what is an algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is a combination of constants and variables connected by some or all of the four fundamental operations. Once more, an algebraic expression is a combination of constants and variables connected by some or all of the four fundamental operations. Next, we discuss about an equation. I am taking one example. 5y plus 2 is equal to 17. Here, in between 5y plus 2 and 17, there is an equal sign. So, this is an equation. Here, in these two terms, there is an equal sign. So, this is an equation. Left side of equal sign is called LHS and right side of equal sign is called RHS. Then, what is an equation? In an equation, there must be an equal sign. LHS is equal to RHS. Once more, equation. In an equation, there must be an equal sign. LHS is equal to RHS. We will get into linear equation. I am taking one example. 3x plus 5 is equal to 14. Is it an equation? Yes, it is an equation. Why? Because equal sign is here. In 3x, what is the variable? Here, x is the variable. Here, highest power of variable x is 1. When the power of variable is 1, we do not mention it there because it is understood as 1. Once more, when the power of variable is 1, we do not mention it here because it is understood as 1. Then, what is a linear equation? Linear equation is an equation containing one variable with the power 1. Once more, linear equation is an equation containing one variable with the power 1. For example, 3x plus 5 is equal to 14. Is x square plus 5x plus 3 equal to 4 is a linear equation? No. Why? This is not a linear equation because the highest power of variable x is 2. Here, the highest power of variable x is 2. So, this is not a linear equation. Next, what is linear equation in one variable? Our chapter name is linear equation in one variable. Then what is that? This is an equation which has a maximum of one variable of order 1. That is, power of variable is 1 and only one type of variable is there. For example, 3x plus 3 is equal to 15, 2x plus 5 is equal to 5x plus 5. Students, next we will go through how sign used in transposition method. Here, plus sign in LHS of an equation becomes minus sign in RHS of an equation, and minus sign in RHS will become plus sign in LHS. Like that, minus sign in LHS will become plus sign in RHS, and plus sign in RHS will become minus sign in LHS. Multiplication sign in LHS will become division sign in RHS, and vice versa. Next, division sign in LHS will become multiplication sign in RHS, and multiplication sign in RHS will become division sign in LHS. Next, we can solve an equation. 2x minus 4 is equal to 6. Using transposition method, 2x minus 4 is equal to 6. We can take alphabet term in left side of equal sign, that is 2x. 2x is equal to 6. From left side, minus 4 will become in right side plus 4. That is 2x is equal to 6 plus 4. Here 2x means 2 into x. Here multiplication part. So in LHS multiplication is there, RHS it will become division. That is x is equal to 10 divided by 2. That is x is equal to 5. So solution or the value of x is equal to 5. Once more, here question is 2x minus 4 is equal to 6. We have to take the alphabet part in left side of equal sign. That is alphabet part is 2x. 2x is equal to 6. Minus 4 in left side of equal sign, in right side it will become plus 4. That is 2x is equal to 6 plus 4. Here multiplication part, that is 2x is equal to 2 into x. 2 into x is equal to 10. In left side multiplication is there, right side it will become division. That is x is equal to 10 divided by 2. Value of x or solution of x is equal to 5. So students, we will start exercise 2.1 in the next class.